The quality of plywood isn't just visible on the surface, it's revealed the moment it's cut. The core gap and side finish test reveals the quality of plywood from the inside. 2 plywood samples are precision cut from the center to expose their internal layers for inspection. Other brands reveal core gaps and uneven veneer joints that affect consistency. CenturyPly Club Prime performs differently. CenturyPly Club Prime is made with a full 8 feet by 4 feet panel core on the top layer, which makes for a smoother surface. CenturyPly factories are equipped with state-of-the-art AI-enabled ultrasound scanning machines that scans every sheet for any gaps or voids undetectable by human eyes. This ensures no ply with gaps or surface undulations leave the factories. The surface finish test compares the smoothness of the plywood face. Other brands show visible surface bumps, while CenturyPly Club Prime has a top layer that is 100% full panel, leaving no room for undulations. As a result, it delivers a smooth and uniform surface finish. Double-side calibration adds to the superior quality of surface finish. Because excellence isn't an achievement, it's a pursuit every single day. Sarvoda Sarvottam, CenturyPly Club Prime, the making of uncompromising ply.